So last week I started up my $100 dining room transformation again, and this week I'm going to be transforming this hallway space. Now this hallway space is super, super dark because they painted it like 2 different shades of steel gray, and there's not a lot of natural light that comes through, so it makes the space look dim and cave-like and really small. So let's see how this goes. I have this plastic from a previous project and I try and reuse it as much as I can. No. Oh. Thank God it was in the plastic, but my citrus strip exploded all over this plastic. So much for reusing it. Right now I'm really glad that I thought to buy extra plastic. Excuse me. Kirby, I know you were here first, but would you mind scooting over, please? I only have the massive kind of plastic. This is the one that I used, the same size as in the living room. So I think it's like 18 feet or something like that. So it's a little too big.
One eternity later.
Very passionate.
Yes. Y'all, I can't even make this up. When I was trying to close this shut, I caught my own nipple on it, and that hurts so bad.
So at this point, I needed to pick up some paint for the baseboard, so I went to Sherwin-Williams because it was closer to me, and honestly, they had a great color selection, but they didn't have the exact paint type that I was looking for. So I managed to find the color I was looking for. I chose Arcade White, and then I figured, well, I'm just going to have to go to Lowe's to get the paint that I need.
So these baseboards are absolutely atrocious because they have not been painted in several years. I don't know, whenever the previous owners did it years ago. And I have scrubbed them and tried to get out whatever stains and scuffs that there were left, but seeing as everything is corgi level, the stains get to be, it is impossible to get them out. So I'm gonna go over it with this paint called Arcade White that I got, and hopefully it pops enough against this wall. We'll see.
So I painted these doors a couple of months ago, but I used leftover Benjamin Moore paint that I had, which I hate. So I used it on this door, being dumb, and now every time the dogs put their paws on the doors, the stains get left there, and no matter how much scrubbing I do, it does not come off. So I'm just going to go over this door again with Valspar paint. So when I was at Lowe's, I checked out doorknobs, and they were priced at like $40 or $50 each, and I thought that that was just too much to spend on doorknobs. I have to get one for not the living room, the bathroom and the bedroom doors, and at $50 a piece, that's $100 on doorknobs. And I was honestly not willing to spend that. So instead I bought these ones on Amazon. They were like $27 each, and they were gold. Ooh, these are nice. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was not really expecting that. It's hefty, too. Nice mechanisms. Okay. All right. Amazon for the win.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next week's episode where Reggie settles his beef with the Easter Bunny.